Hi, and welcome to the AEC Collaboration and Data Management from Autodesk overview. My name is Pat Keeney, and I'm the Director of AEC Collaboration Products. And today I'm going to be joined by Jeremy Lambert, who's the Senior Product Line Manager for the Vault products. So we're really excited to share with you this exciting offering coming out for your customers in AEC. So why are we interested in collaboration and data management? Why are you interested, and why are your customers interested in it? There's a number of very interesting and important market drivers that are all coalescing together to really reinforce the need for collaboration and data management. And the first is a phenomenon we call big data. And what we mean by that is in AEC, the amount of data and the size of data is accelerating at an unprecedented rate. And some of that, frankly, is due to our great success with transitioning the industry toward BIM. As you all know, BIM has really rich data sets, large models, and a lot of great information that can be mined. But in order for that to happen, the information has to be managed. The second major market driver is business complexity. Over the last couple of years, the AEC industry, which is already fairly inherently complex due to the innate nature of the industry that requires partnerships across companies, this has only been exaggerated by the economic situation that we've lived through in the past couple of years. We are seeing more and more joint ventures. We are seeing more and more mergers and acquisitions. And no large, complex AEC project can be done without collaboration and interaction and information exchange across multiple partners who are distributed typically globally. So very complex environment. And then the productivity pressures, again, the macroeconomic conditions have just served to make the economic environment and the productivity pressures on your customers even more severe than they've probably ever been in history. Your customers are being expected to do more with less and to deliver results. They're no longer being able to rely on billable hours. Their customers want results, and they want productivity. Margins are lean, so it's really important for our customers to be as efficient as they possibly can. So those market drivers are creating some really specific challenges for customers. For example, managing multiple models. Again, AEC, the inherent nature of the business, requires not only managing models within a company, not only managing a single model, but being able to manage an entire life cycle of model development, from developing models within a small team, within a firm, to exchanging models across many, many companies. So we talked to a contracting firm who's in a joint venture with another contracting firm in a major American city building a large healthcare project. And what they told us is they have 35 companies collaborating and submitting 30 different models to do this project. Those models are submitted in multiple file formats. They include Revit models. They can include structural models. They can include AutoCAD MEP models. And they can also include models from third-party manufacturers. So just managing those models, managing the information, bringing it all together is an enormous challenge, and getting that done right can make or break a project. In addition to models, every AEC project has an enormous volume of other types of project information, whether it's contracts, schedules, budgets, Excel spreadsheets, documents, photos, videos, etc. And all that information has to be stored and correctly managed and versioned. AEC is inherently about collaboration across extended teams. These teams can extend within a company, across geographies and across the globe, and they extend to external partners. So finding ways to help all of those folks collaborate effectively is a critical success factor for any AEC project today. And then finally, of course, the promise of BIM is that by developing your project in a model before it's built, before it's constructed, allows you to do a lot of intelligent analysis and simulation and clash detection on that model to save enormous amounts of time and money in the downstream construction processes. And again, to manage that effectively, you've got to have a great system for managing all the models and all the project data. And that's where Vault Collaboration for AEC comes in. So we are really excited to introduce a brand new offering in the Autodesk AEC family, which is really designed and is to solve this problem and is the foundation of our collaboration and data management solution within AEC. So a few facts about Vault. As many of you know, Vault has had a long and successful history in the manufacturing industry. It is a tried and proven product with over 400,000 users today. There are 25,000 companies currently using Vault. So again, a great proven technology, very robust, and very successful. But as a manufacturing product, one of the things that we have done really well at Autodesk is we are great at looking at technology across industries and learning how to apply technology we develop in one industry to a different industry that we are also expert in. Great example of that is our visualization tools. 3D Studio Max started out as a media and entertainment tool, and now it is visualization, and that kind of technology is a really important part of every AEC development process for both presenting information and helping people visualize it. So we're taking that same approach with Vault Collaboration, where in talking to our customers and understanding all of those challenges they have around data management and collaboration, we realized that we had a lot of foundational technology to bring to bear to that problem, but there are some unique differences in AEC. So we've taken the last couple of years and had the Vault team working very, very closely with a number of AEC teams and with AEC customers to really understand what are the unique things about AEC that need to be addressed in Vault Collaboration. And one of the some of the critical things we've heard from customers, and which Vault Collaboration AEC is addressing, is our AEC designers live and breathe in their design applications, and they don't want to stop their design work, leave that environment, and go someplace else to manage documents and models. They want it to be a natural part of their workflow. So bringing data management and collaboration right into their design tool environment was a critically important task. And that's one of the places where we have heavily invested to make Vault Collaboration AEC really well integrated across the suite of design products from AEC, including Civil 3D, Revit, Navisworks, Buzzsaw, and of course the AutoCAD-based projects. The other critical difference within AEC that needed to be addressed is AEC projects are project-based. AEC work is always organized around a project, and Vault needed to reflect that as well. So you'll see from Jeremy later how Vault Collaboration AEC has been redesigned to really present all of the collaboration and data management functionality from the perspective of projects. Scalability in AEC is a critical success factor. AEC is a globally distributed process. More and more companies are relying on expertise from different geographies, so they need a solution that can work across an entire enterprise and across a distributed environment and make sure that the data can be replicated and accurate, and version control can be scaled across the globe. And then finally, again, AEC, with the unique nature of external partners involved in almost every project, it's really important to be able to link an internal environment, an enterprise environment, with the cloud for two reasons. By linking with the cloud, you have an easy and secure way to share information with external partners, and you also can provide mobile access to all of the information currently stored in the vault. So those are some of the great new features and enhancements that you're going to hear about in detail from Jeremy now. And this is how Autodesk has once again taken a great piece of technology from one industry, applied all the knowledge and customer intimacy we have in AEC to that problem, and come up with a fantastic new solution. So with that, I'm going to turn the presentation over to Jeremy Lambert, who will tell you even more about this exciting new offering.
All right, thank you, Pat. So I'm extremely excited about the introduction of the Vault Collaboration application into the AEC family of products. I've been working with the data management team here at Autodesk for well over 7 years, and over the course of time I've seen the product grow, enhance, and become a very mature and stable and robust platform for our customers. And that's the most important thing to take note of, is that this is not a new product that we're bringing to the AEC market. In fact, it's a very well-established product in the user base, as Pat alluded to earlier, with a number of customers and users. So we're bringing an existing technology over, adapted to the needs of the customers within the AEC marketplace. And what's powerful about this is that there's a wide range of benefits that your customers are able to take advantage of immediately. You know, the benefits range from enterprise scalability down to user productivity. And while we don't have time within this session to go through every one of the benefits of the Vault line of products in Autodesk Vault Collaboration AEC, I do want to spend some time going through the top 3 or 4 benefits that we hear from our customers who have taken a look at Vault Collaboration AEC and what they are, and review those in the level of detail that can help you understand how you can better talk to your customers about the Vault family of products and Vault Collaboration AEC specifically. And let's go ahead and take a look at those now. Throughout the course of a project lifecycle, there are a number of stakeholders that are producing data that contribute to the project on a daily basis. And projects typically can run anywhere between 6 months to 3 years. And over the course of that life, the amount of data that collects and aggregates together relating to the execution of a project is monumental. And it can also become very, very chaotic for our customers to maintain and manage. Project data comes from a variety of different sources, whether it's an architect, an engineer, a project manager, or even folks out in the field. They're all contributing to these projects. And in order to better gain control of this data and the chaos that accompanies it, Vault Collaboration provides some tools that are very uniquely positioned to get control of this information. Recently, I heard a story from one of our prospects as I was visiting them and having a conversation around their needs about data management. And they shared a story with me that as they were working on a project, they were copying data from one location to another because they had to enable multiple resources to work on the project. And throughout the course of that project, they would move files back and forth between the 2 different office locations. And they were using map shared network locations to do this. When they finally reached a point where they needed to do a submittal to their client, they grabbed the data from the wrong folder, from the wrong location, which ultimately, towards the end of their project, led to hundreds of thousands of dollars in losses for their organization. Simply copying data and moving it around, we all do it on a daily basis ourselves. Think about the last PowerPoint presentation you delivered. More than likely, you went through multiple iterations of it, renaming it, putting underscore version 1, underscore version 2 after it, or putting your initials behind it. This type of workflow and methodology will lead to data being out of date, the wrong data being shared, or the wrong data being worked on. Autodesk Vault Collaboration AEC provides our customers with a single centralized location to manage and control all of their data related to a project. And this is going to help our customers gain control of their data, ensuring that the right data is shared with the right people. Not only is there a lot of data that's being generated over the course of a project, but it's consistently and constantly under a state of change. Vault Collaboration AEC provides our customers with the ability to capture, track, and control this data as it's going through its various states of change, ensuring that as a new version or a new revision of a file or a drawing or a sheet is created, that the right people are getting access to it, but only at the right time. This ensures that people are not sharing data that has not been approved, thus leading to issues out in the field. The ability to manage this data in a historical fashion also provides our customers with the flexibility to, at any point in time, roll back the data to a previous version or revision. And this often happens from the standpoint of working with clients. They'll come back and they'll look for a change or a modification to be made to the project. And as this need arises, the flexibility to be able to roll back into history, pull out an alternative design, and be able to branch that design to solve a particular need that a client raises is crucial, is vital to a customer, and can save them a lot of hours in rework and change and effort. More and more, we're also hearing from our customers that they need to collaborate with teammates, coworkers, across multiple offices. Days of customers working in a single office and working with the folks next to them have passed within the last several years, and oftentimes now the folks working on a project with our customers oftentimes don't even sit in the same office or the same city. Our customers are looking to optimize their resources wherever they happen to have them available, whether it's across the street, in the office next to you, or across the country, even across the globe. Many of our customers are even going as far as to set up global centers of design excellence, where they're able to take advantage of resources offshore and enable design anywhere, build anywhere methodologies. This provides them the capability to have somebody working on the project 24/7. And with the project team being distributed in such a broad and wide range, Vault Collaboration AEC provides a very, very flexible solution for our customers to be able to connect these project team members together, allowing them to work on a single version of what the project looks like at any given time. The solution can also scale to support our customers' needs based off of the project. They may need to enable a very lightweight and small group with a VPN-based type approach, or it can scale out to a global replicated environment, connecting our project teams, our customers' project teams together, providing them with an experience that gives them the feel that they're working on the same local area network, helping them overcome the pain that is often experienced with the wide area network limitations, bandwidth, and latency issues. Lastly, one of the clear differentiators for us that we focus on every year as we develop and enhance our products is our ease of use with our design integrations. Our customers are oftentimes the end users, not the IT folks. And so the end users oftentimes are the ones that will stifle or kill the deployment of a data management application. The reason why is they oftentimes see this as a barrier to getting their job done. They don't want to stop designing to do data management. With Vault Collaboration AEC, we have some very deep integrations with our design applications, and we focus on ensuring that the end users don't have to change their natural designing workflows. What this allows them to do is continue to focus on the design and work the way that they're used to working, while data management essentially happens in the background. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the new integrations that we've created to support the AEC-based workflows. We're going to start out with AutoCAD Civil 3D. Let's take a look at the integration and how our customers are able to more effectively use AutoCAD Civil 3D with Autodesk Vault Collaboration to manage their infrastructure designs and workflows.
AutoCAD Civil 3D is now integrated with Autodesk Vault Collaboration AEC. This integration brings a number of improvements over the Vault integrations of the past. There are 4 major areas of improvement, and they were focused around ease of use, performance, multi-site, and sheet set manager integrations. The efforts around performance improvements resulted in increases of up to nearly 50% for a number of features across the local and wide area networks, including login, open project, check-in and check-out, save and refresh. Autodesk Vault Collaboration AEC also provides Civil 3D with multi-site support. This includes file store replication for regional sites, as well as database replication to connect global offices. To improve ease of use, data shortcut-like workflows have been embraced. Project XML has been replaced, and Autodesk Vault Collaboration AEC now manages data references directly. Now Civil 3D users will be able to find data reference objects within the Vault standalone client, using the exact same structure found within the prospector. These model objects are versioned and can have additional attributes appended to them to help improve searching. Engineers will find the relationships between these data references being tracked by Autodesk Vault Collaboration AEC, as well as the relationships between the references and the drawings. This will help engineers to understand the impact of change. For example, changing a surface will impact other objects including alignments and corridors, as well as the drawings that contain them. Now Civil 3D users can manage sheet sets with Autodesk Vault Collaboration AEC. This integration is made available directly within the Sheet Set Manager interface. Users can open sheet sets, check in and check out files, modify sheet properties, all within the Sheet Set Manager ESW. Drawings can also take advantage of Autodesk Vault Collaboration AEC's automatic file naming feature. With Autodesk Vault Collaboration AEC managing the sheet sets on the Vault server, distributed project teams across multiple sites can now effectively collaborate on a sheet set. AutoCAD and Civil 3D users will find that sheet sets are stored within the Vault using the exact same structure as found within the Sheet Set Manager, complete with sheet properties indexed and available for searching. And finally, sheets will appear in the Uses and Where Used tabs, enabling engineers to more easily understand which drawings include which sheets and which drawings make up a sheet set.
Architects and engineers focused on building design also have needs around collaboration and data management as well. In order to keep track of all of the Revit-related information, the Revit content, as well as all of the remainder of the project-related data, whether it's Excel documents, Word documents, PDFs, specifications, anything circulating and surrounding the project data needs to be connected to the building design. Go ahead and take a look at the integration with 2012 between Vault Collaboration AEC and Autodesk Revit.
Autodesk Vault Collaboration AEC now integrates with Autodesk Revit, supporting Revit Architecture, Structure, and MEP. This integration provides architects and engineers the ability to connect their Revit design data with the extended and supporting BIM project data managed within Autodesk Vault. Content management is a key benefit of Autodesk Vault for Revit users. In this example, a Revit user needs to replace a window with a door. When using traditional, unmanaged workflows, the Revit user is left to browse a list of files from a network drive, unconfident in what the Revit family file contains, if it is up to date, or if it's even approved content. Autodesk Vault provides architects and engineers the ability to simplify the content selection process. Users are able to run searches based on keywords, or run advanced searches based on content file information. In this example, using approved content, omni-class information, and descriptions to find a list of matching family content. Thumbnails are also available to help users select the correct content from the list. The Vault integration with Revit also supports Revit Worksharing and Revit Server, enabling architects and engineers to continue to use their common workflows and remain productive. Autodesk Vault catalogs the Revit project history, utilizing the Vault's versioning and revisioning capabilities. Revit users are also able now to capture important project milestones and revert back to any point if and when the need arises. In fact, Vault also tracks linked models, providing a comprehensive view of the project's history. Finally, the Revit integration with Autodesk Vault includes an interactive preview, giving Revit users and non-users alike the ability to quickly and easily understand the contents of their BIM project model.
Project reviewers and stakeholders oftentimes need access to the design information related to the project as well. The 2012 integration with Autodesk Navisworks provides those stakeholders and reviewers the ability to access and review the information that the project team is creating on a daily basis and centralizing inside of Autodesk Vault Collaboration AEC. Let's go ahead and take a look at this integration as well.
Autodesk Vault Collaboration AEC now integrates with Autodesk Navisworks, supporting both Navisworks Simulate and Navisworks Manage. Project reviewers can easily browse their Vault directly for the content that they need to interact with and open it within Navisworks. In fact, this integration provides project reviewers, managers, and stakeholders, as well as virtual design and construction engineers, the ability to access the latest and historic project design content, all being stored centrally within Autodesk Vault. The Autodesk Vault integration also extends Navisworks' merge and append capabilities by providing project reviewers the ability to browse for additional project design content, also being managed within Autodesk Vault. From here, Navisworks users can take advantage of Navisworks walkthrough, markup and redline, simulation, and clash detection capabilities. In fact, Navisworks users can also refresh from the Vault to consume the latest updates being checked in from the design team. Project reviewers are then able to save these efforts and check in their Navisworks datasets into the Vault. This enables other downstream consumers to access the latest BIM project-related information. Finally, Autodesk Vault Collaboration AEC will track the history of the aggregated Navisworks project data as it's being checked in, enabling Navisworks users the ability to roll back to a previous version of the aggregated model and review what has changed. Further, Autodesk Vault will track Navisworks file dependencies, helping to understand the impact a design change will have on the overall BIM project design.
We hear from our customers that while they work on projects on their own and connect between multiple offices or have the need to, there's oftentimes, and the majority of the times, they're working on projects with multiple firms or other firms. And this is often a challenge for them to be able to connect and collaborate with these other companies. Autodesk Vault Collaboration AEC is uniquely positioned to solve this challenge. Within Autodesk Vault Collaboration AEC is another benefit, which is a connection to Autodesk Buzzsaw. Vault Collaboration AEC customers and users are able to then bidirectionally exchange and synchronize information between the data being managed within their Vault and with the data that's being managed and accessed via Autodesk Buzzsaw, also through Buzzsaw Sync, connecting data from partners together with their own data within the Vault. Let's go ahead and take a look at this integration.
An engineering firm is leading the design work for a large infrastructure project. The project team includes internal engineers located in several different offices and consultants from different companies. The firm is using Autodesk Vault Collaboration AEC for internal data management across the enterprise and Autodesk Buzzsaw for securely exchanging project files with external partners and stakeholders. For this project, the BIM manager sets up a project sync between Vault and Buzzsaw so that project information can be automatically exchanged with external partners. Kevin, the civil engineer, using Civil 3D, saves his file to the Vault. Because Buzzsaw synchronization occurs on predefined events, the file is automatically replicated to the Buzzsaw site. Charles, the surveyor, gets an automatic notification that there's a new file on Buzzsaw. He edits the drawing by adding the correct definition to the surface using Civil 3D. He then saves the new version to Buzzsaw. And the file is then replicated back to the Vault, where it can be approved by the project manager. With Autodesk Collaboration and Data Management Solutions, AEC project teams can coordinate enterprise behind-the-firewall data management with secure and simple cloud-based file exchange to optimize data management, collaboration, and anywhere access across internal and external project teams.
So as you've seen, we've done a lot of a lot of work, a lot of effort's gone into taking the Vault product line and modifying and updating it so that it also applies to the challenges and needs of our customers within AEC. We focused in on a number of initiatives, number one being ease of use. We want to make sure that our customers and end users, the users of our design applications, have a very positive experience with the Autodesk Vault products. We're going to make sure that they're able to focus on their natural design workflows and get their job done while still being able to take advantage of the benefits of data management. There are a number of enhancements with the Autodesk Vault product to make sure that we support AEC-based workflows around project and project collaboration. So the introduction of the concept of projects within Autodesk Vault Collaboration AEC was crucial to supporting our needs of our AEC customers. We've also made a very, very conscious effort to support and extend the ability for Vault to scale to the needs of the enterprise. This includes capabilities such as supporting Active Directory support, as well as the multi-site capabilities, including both file caching capability as well as a fully replicated multi-site solution. And finally, the needs around the cloud and supporting multi-firm projects with the connection between Autodesk Vault Collaboration AEC and Autodesk Buzzsaw. Now I'm going to transition over to Pat, who can talk to us about how to take this product to market and deliver it to our customers and help satisfy their needs around data management and collaboration.
Thanks, Jeremy. That is exciting stuff. So when is this product available? It's available now. The Vault Collaboration AEC vertical product is on the price list effective in May 2011. And what's really exciting about this offering is that also available with Vault Collaboration AEC as of May 2011 is a unique Buzzsaw subscription benefit. And how that works is if you sell Vault Collaboration AEC with a subscription to Vault Collaboration AEC, your customers will receive a Buzzsaw site with the same number of Buzzsaw seats as they purchased for Vault Collaboration. So for example, if you sell 30 Vault Collaboration seats with subscription, the customer is entitled to a Buzzsaw site with 30 users per Buzzsaw. And that site will be active as long as the Vault Collaboration AEC subscription is active. This is all being introduced in May. You're going to see a lot of exciting marketing launch materials and activities around this introduction. So again, great availability, great story, and you should be really excited to sell this. And one note I want to make about this unique offering is we have competitors who have behind the firewall data management solutions. We have competitors who have cloud-based data management solutions. There isn't anybody in the AEC industry today who offers a combination of the robust enterprise data management solution that you just saw, combined with a cloud-based solution that provides both web and mobile access. So it is a great opportunity for you to go out and solve customer problems. And to support your efforts, we are providing a number of sales tools, from PowerPoints to brochures, Q&A documents, and again, all of this stuff is designed to help you solve those critical customer problems that we talked about from the beginning. Your customers need our help, and we've got the solution to really deliver that help to them. So thank you for your time today, and good luck with this exciting new offering, and let us know how we can help you.